here's a little money saving tip. When you're done dipping your chicken, you don't want to waste all of this really good flour mixture. So what I do is I put it in the freezer, then the bacteria from the chicken won't grow, and you can reuse it again for your next batch of chicken. Okay, I use bacon grease even when I'm just frying regular chicken. It just adds a really good flavor. Water to things like my mustard bottles, my ketchup bottles, and my barbecue sauces and sweet and sour sauces when they are at the very end and I can't get any more out. I put a little bit of water in there. Then I just squirt the last little bit of mustard into my honey baked chicken, and I got one more serving out of my mustard. Now I just keep these in a little zip top bag in the refrigerator, and then when I need one I just pull it out or use the one that I used in the recipe. Okay, and get this all nice and smooth. If bags are really nasty, like if they've had meat in them or they're really, really gooey, I do not wash those. I just throw those away. But if they've just had breadcrumbs and maybe a little bit of frosting or something on them, I will wash those and save them for later. And here's how I do it. I take dish soap and I put a squirt of dish soap inside. I put a little water in. Then I hold the top and I just smush it around. And I just smush it and smush it and smush it. Get it all. Then just rinse it out. It's all clean. And I just hang it over my sprayer and let it dry. And that's how you wash out a baggie. To store the baggies, I keep just a Kleenex box, an old one, and I just push them in there. Another tip would be make things easy. I got these air fryer liners right here at a yard sale. I don't know, there's gotta be at least 100 in there for $1, and they even had food handling, what do you call those, gloves, also in there. So this will make cleanup so much quicker for your air fryer. So get these things. If I'd rather have you buy these at around a penny or so a piece. I don't know, I need to go look up and see, but I'll leave the link in the description below. But I'd rather have you buy these than, because you dread cleaning your air fryer, than to go out to eat. So make life simple and use things like these air fryer liners. Also, Mom got these silicone lid covers. Absolutely, I love these. They stretch, you can throw them in the dishwasher, they're reusable. This is one of the best inventions ever. She got all four of these, $4. I'll link these in the description below also, but she got these for $1 at a yard sale. I think that's a pretty stinking good deal.
Now you're gonna see these. The only time we buy pop is for company, but I had this empty space down here in my pantry. That is all chickpeas. This is all stewed tomatoes, and this is all diced tomatoes.
That is brilliant. I absolutely love that idea. Oh my goodness, I have never seen that before. Just turn a soda box up and your cans will stack in there. Got this roast for $4 a pound, $3.97 a pound. Right there. Okay, and they got it all, oh, they got 2 pieces wrapped up. Look at what they did there. Oh, look what they did there. Okay. I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna try a new way of making roast. All right, while I'm waiting, I'm going to repackage these into Ziploc bags for another meal. There we go. I'm going to throw those in the freezer. Okay, today I'm making Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1, page 207, ranch dressing right there. This is super easy. Now, I make this in large batches. And so then I'll just store it in something like this, and then old one. And then when I need it, I just use it. So I've quadrupled 10 times, however many you want to do for the recipe. Now, I don't have onion flakes at the moment, so I'm leaving those out. I'm just gonna put everything else in. My oregano. The recipe for this is in the description below. My onion powder. My garlic powder. My parsley. And paprika. And salt and pepper and cayenne pepper. Now, this is just for one batch, so what I'll do is add a cup of mayonnaise and a cup of buttermilk, or you could mix it in 2 cups of sour cream, 2 cups of mayonnaise. You could do 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1 cup of full fat milk if you want. However you want to do it, but that is it. This costs you about probably 10-15 cents for the same packet that's $1 in the store. So I'm going to show you an easy way to melt honey now, or to measure honey. Just spray your measuring cup with cooking spray, and then your honey will slide right out and it won't get stuck. I don't know if you can see it here. It might come on this other side so they can see it better. Okay, so can you see the different layers here? When you see the layer separation, that is the yeast activating and foaming on the top there. So this is the yeast foaming and this is the water here. So you want to be looking for that. You know your yeast is working. Okay, so you can see how nice and fluffy and frothy my yeast is right there. Okay, here's a little trick. I just made some bread dough and I wiped up the big part, but you can see there's still some stuck on there. So I just take my scraper and scrape it up. There you go. Pretty handy, isn't it?